my name is Aiden Cameron. We're heading to Miller Fabrication Solutions in Brookville, PA to find out what's so cool about manufacturing.
My name is Eric Miller. I am the president of Miller Fabrication Solutions in Brookville, Pennsylvania. We machine and we weld parts primarily. And while we still do those services, we also do a lot more. We fabricate a lot of metal. We paint it, we mechanically assemble it. So now we do other services, not to mention our non-value added services like inventory storage and all kinds of other back office type storage plans and inventory plans, things like that we do for our customers. One of the biggest things we do is construction equipment, mining equipment. We do a lot of rail maintenance and railway equipment, such as frames for passenger cars, boom lifts and scissor lifts and things like that. We have a lot of customers that do that kind of work. We'll deliver fabrications that are already painted and done to the assembly line of our customers.
My name is Bonnie Frampton. I'm the head of human resources. We have 90 job titles here at Miller Fabrication Solutions.
Here in the machine shop, good math skills are definitely required. I'm Tim Gillen. I've worked here for 18 years. Being able to see what we produce outside being used in other industries, probably the neatest thing I like.
I think the manufacturing industry is pretty cool. I always have since I was a kid, because we're creating something. We're taking something that didn't exist and we're creating it, and that adds value and wealth. If there was no manufacturing in the world, I think the world would be a pretty simple place. I think a lot of the things that we depend on every day, most everything we depend on, comes out of a manufacturing plant.
There are several people here who came in working in an entry-level position, and by coming in and doing those jobs really well, they position themselves to climb that corporate ladder.
And the purpose of the company that we have stated is to improve the lives of our employees, our customers, our suppliers, and our community. And so if we're not doing our jobs to improve not only our company but those around us, then we're not fulfilling our purpose, the reason the company's here.